This video is strictly confidential. Not for distribution. All right reserved by Cloud Big Data Technologies LLC, Dallas, Texas, United States. Do not distribute outside Cloud Big Data. Cloud Big Data is a fastest growing IT software development and staffing company in United States. Located at Dallas, Texas, and Denver, Colorado and Hyderabad, India. Our unique and cloud-based vendor management system platform. Cloud Big Data's 100% owned software product helps our OPTEAD and CPT consultants to get placed at client projects in quickest possible time. 475 plus highly experienced marketing and placement team. Dedicated recruiter assigned for marketing and placement. Helps our OPTEAD and CPT consultants to get placed at client projects in quickest possible time. Resume marketing starts within 48 hours of consultant joining. Interview assistance and on-job technical support by highly experienced professionals. 100% guaranteed placement assistance. H-1B and green card sponsorship to all eligible candidates. E-Verify company and will sponsor the 24 months OPTEAD STEM extension for qualified and on-project consultants. Competitive salary with percentage basis profit sharing starts after first project. Bench sales process training. This section helps Cloud Big Data recruitment employees to understand bench sales marketing and placement process. Cloud Big Data accepts consultants with OPT work authorization with master's degree major in computer science, information technology, and software engineering. Cloud Big Data accepts consultants with CPT work authorization, only if the university allows the candidate to work 40 hours per week. As soon as the consultant gets selected in the client interview, client, or vendor issues the placement paperwork. As soon as the client or vendor issues the placement paperwork, the consultant is ready to start the project at client location. As soon as the consultant starts the client project, Cloud Big Data will run the consultant's payroll on monthly basis. Payroll taxes are applicable for bench sales placements. W-2 contract. Only if the consultant is placed at the client project by the recruitment employee, then only Cloud Big Data hires your consultant on W-2 contract basis. If the consultant is not placed at the client project, Cloud Big Data will not initiate the consultant hiring process on W-2 contract basis. Cloud Big Data takes care of H-1B transfer filing fee for all H-1B transfer cases. Cloud Big Data sponsors H-1B to all eligible OPTEAD and CPT consultants and takes care of H-1B filing fee. This section helps Cloud Big Data recruitment employees to understand about Master Service Agreement, Non-Compete Agreement, Exclusivity and Non-Disclosure Agreement and Placements paperwork. If you are getting started to work with a client, or vendor, you need to request them to send their vendor agreement. Vendor agreement. Forward the vendor agreement to Cloud Big Data Contract Management Team at contractmanagement@cloudbigd.com. Cloud Big Data Contract Management Team will carefully review and sign the vendor agreement and will send the signed copy to your client, or vendor before submitting consultants for your client, or vendor corp-to-corp requirements. You must ask your suppliers to review and sign the Master Service Agreement with Cloud Big Data. Cloud Big Data recommend all recruitment employees to read our Master Service Agreement carefully to understand the clauses. Master Service Agreement avoids and prohibits the consultants, or their employers, suppliers to bypass Cloud Big Data. As soon as the suppliers sign the Cloud Big Data Master Service Agreement, then submit those consultants to your client, or vendor corp-to-corp requirements. Non-compete agreement. Use Cloud Big Data's master service agreement as non-compete agreement. If the consultant agrees to proceed with joining Cloud Big Data payroll on W-2 contract basis, then the consultant need to sign the exclusivity and non-disclosure agreement with Cloud Big Data. As soon as the consultant signs the exclusivity and non-disclosure agreement, then add those consultants to Cloud Big Data hot list using VMS portal and start marketing. Corp-to-corp placements paperwork. As soon as the consultant gets selected in the client interview, client, or vendor issues the placement paperwork. As soon as placement paperwork gets completed from both sides, the placed consultant is now ready to start the project at client location. As soon as placement paperwork gets completed from both sides, the placed consultant is now ready to start the project at client location. Bench sales placements paperwork. As soon as the consultant gets selected in the client interview, client, or vendor issues the placement paperwork. As soon as the client or vendor issues the placement paperwork, the consultant is ready to start the project at client location. Join with Cloud Big Data today. Visit our VMS portal, www.cloudbig.com/jobs. For immediate assistance, call +1 720 500 2600 or send an email to placeme@cloudbig.com.